Hello and welcome. The task for today is to solve the equation on the board. The first step to do that is to find a way to extract x from under the square root sign. Now, to do that, we will need to raise both sides of the equation to power 2. But we cannot do it with this equation expressed like this. What do I mean? If we were to do 2x plus 5 root x squared is equal to 3 squared, because remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side of the equation to keep things balanced. If we were to do this, we would have 2x squared, which is 4x squared, plus 2 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 5 root x will give us 20x root x plus 5 root x squared is equal to 25x. 9. You can see that we still have this. So before we raise the two sides of the equation to power 2, we must make sure that the term with the radical is alone on one side of the equation. That is, rearranging this, we have that 5 square root of x is equal to 3. 2x going over will now become minus 2x. Written in this form, we can now go on to, so we have that 25x is equal to 3 squared, which is 9, minus 2 times 3 is 6 times 2x is 12x, plus 2x squared is 4x squared. From where we have that 0 is equal to 9 minus 12x minus 25x plus 4x squared. This is equal to 9 minus 37x plus 4x squared is equal to 0, of course. So now we have a quadratic equation that we can solve for values of x. So we have 4x squared minus 37x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, factors of 4x squared will be x and 4x. And factors of 9, because this is negative, we would have minus 9 and minus 1. When we multiply x by minus 1, we will have minus x. And when we multiply 4x by minus 9, we will have minus 36x. And minus 36x plus minus x will give us minus 37x, which will tell us that the factors of this quadratic equation are x minus 9 and 4x minus 1. From where we have that x minus 9 is equal to 0, or that 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 9, or 4x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 over 4. Now you know that this equation did not originally start out as a quadratic equation. So after solving such equations, we must come back and check the answers that we got to make sure that they satisfy the original equation. We don't just say, okay, because we solved this quadratic equation and got these values, that x must be equal to 9 or minus 1. So we check our values. In the first instance, we got that x is equal to 9. So 2 times 9 plus 5 root 9 is equal to 3. This is 18. 5 root 9 is 3. And this is equal to 33. So x is equal to 9 does not satisfy this equation. In the second case, 2 times 1 over 4 plus 5 root 1 over 4. What does it give us? Now here we have 2, so we have half plus square root of 1 over 4 is 1 over 2. So we have 5 over 2. Since they have the same denominator, this is equal to 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. So the only answer, the only value of x that satisfies this equation is x equal to 1 over 4. And with that, we come to the end of today's exercise. See you in the next one.